Welcome to Blue Heron Hill, and today I'm going to harvest some sunflowers. It's getting late in the season and it's time that I get these heads cut down and harvest some of these seeds. So let's go. Time to cut this one down. Well, it looks like on the back side, we've been having a little sunflower feasting party here. A little decay through here. I'm going to throw a few of these sunflowers back here, and I'm sure next year this is where they'll come up. Some more volunteers. There we go. How does this one look? We have some birds feasting away already in parts. But otherwise, it's a little mold here through here, but we'll cut that off. There's still plenty of seeds to be had on this head. Well, this is this year's haul for volunteer sunflowers, and these are all the gigantus, the mammoth gigantus sunflowers. So I do have two very large ones here, and then two other smaller sunflowers here. Just going to let them dry in the greenhouse for just a couple days to kind of dry out the stalks a little bit more, and if there's any moisture or anything still around, just help in the harvesting of the seeds. I just love doing this, breaking up all of those little flowerets. And you can see the beautiful spiral patterns. This is actually called a Fibonacci sequence that occurs in nature all the time. This one, unfortunately, the biggest one has a little rot in here. Another reason for trying to dry it off. I let it go a little bit too long. It has a little bit of bird, I won't call it damage because these are going to go to the birds anyway. And same with this one. This one has been in the greenhouse for a couple days now, and I think I may have a little bird that comes in and out all the time, and it's pecked away at a few of the seeds, left a few shells in here. So this is what I have, and when I harvest seeds, I'll give a weight total. Usually I purposely grow sunflowers every year, and this year I didn't. I just saw some coming up, and I just thought, okay, I'll just deal with what I have as a volunteer. So these are seeming to come out okay. The rind or the husk or whatever you want to call it of a sunflower, the chickens just love this. I think they're waiting outside the greenhouse door for some of the scraps. Here they are out here, and they are pecking at the remains of some of the smaller sunflowers, the multi-headed sunflowers that I grew. Not everybody gets some. That was about 1.25 pounds off those 2 large heads, sunflower heads. These 2 smaller ones I'm going to let go, dry a little bit more. When it dries out a little bit, these seeds will begin to separate a little bit easier, and they will be much easier to take out of the heads. So thanks for joining me on this short little sunflower video harvesting. They were volunteers in my garden, and what better way to have additional harvest when you didn't even plant it and it came up by itself. So the birds will enjoy it this winter when it gets cold and there's snow on the ground and there's not much to eat. So until the next time we can go digging in the dirt or harvesting sunflower seeds, happy gardening. Bye.